unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw a colorful butterfly. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's start with the butterfly body. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Now let's draw its antenna. Did you know butterflies has 4 wings, not 2? So let's draw our beautiful butterfly's 4 wings. Look, our butterfly is watching us. Want to know a fun fact? Butterfly wings are transparent. Now let's make the butterfly's world more magical. Draw some flowers, clouds, or even the mushrooms. Use your imagination and make it more magical. Where do you think our butterfly is flying to? Let's color it. Butterflies comes in variety of colors. So pick your favorite color to color our butterfly. Maybe a bright blue, sun yellow or the magical purple. Make it more magical. I'm coloring the mushroom with red and blue color. Our butterfly loves showing off her colorful wings in the sunshine. Did you know some butterflies have spots that looks exactly like eyes to scare away birds? Wow! Did you know butterflies have thousands of tiny eyes? Wow, look at our colorful butterfly. It's ready to fly through the magical garden.